of it start from the Wuhan of the city of the China, or we are running two pandemic. This COVID-19 diabetic was already pandemic, now is a COVID-19 pandemic. How to correlate with the COVID-19 with the diabetes? Diabetes in 42.3% of the 20th China and report of the more than 72,000 case COVID-19 increase of mortality with patient with a diabetes. Overall, we are seeing of the COVID-19 mortality 2.3%, but in a more common in non-diabetic compared to the diabetic. But not this, we are seeing not only diabetic, because of a diabetic, most of the diabetic patient of the 2/3 of the diabetic patient, they are suffering with the macrovascular complications, either heart disease, kidney, advanced age. What about these are some of the comorbid conditions? How to treat with the hyperglycemia patient is COVID-19, either the mild or moderate or severe, they are going to hospitalizations of the how to titrate. Most of the India is a capital of the diabetes after the China number one, and India is to as a secondary. So what about diet? Issue of the raised lactic acid level, acidosis. What about? So we should stop the metformin. And second drugs with the DPT-4 inhibitor, we have GLP-1 agonist, but DPT-4 inhibitor is very good, but it can delay the stomach empty. And sick plan is a gastro. Most of diabetic patients, they are having a gastroparesis and toxemia and can cause the vomiting. And SGLT inhibitor is very fantastic, but big issue in particular, SGLT inhibitor is a polyuria and volume contraction and fat metabolism and a chance of the ketoacidosis in spite of the normal glycemic. Pioglitazone is very important drug, but fluid overload, but virus, acid day plan, they are on the IV fluid and they are on the steroid treatment. LVF, what about the once when going to patient is hospitalization, insulin remain is a cornerstone treatment of the sick day plan. So these are the guidelines of the enemies of the recommend of the basal. I am talking with the international guidelines and national guidelines. You can see how to start with the basal insulin. ADA 2020 guidelines recommend the basal insulin is the most convenient initiate insulin. You can start by the general practice. Even MBBS can start how to start with the insulin, with the basal insulin. You can see of the ADA 2018 basal insulin, IDA 2017 till what about the basal and premix insulin, CDA, NICE, RSDI guidelines with the ACA guidelines, with the ADA guidelines, with the all the ADA, ACCA guidelines. We should start with the insulin of the basal insulin. Let us understand how to optimize the basal insulin. How to start with the basal insulin of the. There is no basic science. There is no any science of the is that how to start with the basal. That is a very beautiful slide. Does one dose or fit? No. Most of the 2/3 of the patient diabetic, they are obese of the. So how to start with the basal insulin of. These are some of the patient is having the 60 kg, 80 kg and 100 kg. Of these are generally we are seeing on the mild obesity, moderate and severe obesity. Some patient is having the 60 kg are having the baseline HbA1c less than 8% kg. Suppose HbA1c more than 8, so we should start the little bit higher 0.3 of the what. And the patient is over that. So how these are simple formulas. Even the MBBS general practitioner can start with the basal insulin with this beautiful data. How to titrate the insulin large. That is the one I am going to discuss with a very beautiful case. Patient presenting complaint, 48 male old patient, 48 just is a young patient. History of diabetes last 12 years, more decade, one of the. And he was 48. लास्ट 12 साल से उसको डायबिटीज है, तो ही मस्ट बी एज ऑफ जब डायबिटीज होगा तो ही मस्ट बी एज ऑफ 36 ईयर ओल्ड. Presenting with the diabetic clinic, complaint with the body ache, fatigue, polyuria with the last 1 month, but there is no hypertension and no heart disease. Definitely diet, exercise, metformin 500 mg twice a day, gimiprid 2 mg, BID is a 4 mg per day with the 1 gram of the metformin, and he was started with 18 unit of the basal insulin large. Although patient was complaint. Patient was but irregular. Most of the diabetic patient in Indian scenario, we are seeing of the irregular follow because of the COVID-19. They are at home. Yeah, they are taking the medications by telemedications, whatever. Patient used to go regular morning walk at a balcony, a terrace, but is still is not a diet complaint. 48-year-old male. He's a regular walk 40-45 minutes of the walk, but was not a diet compliance. Vitals, BMI little bit high, is a 27. Normal Indians BMI we should make 18 to 20, but my weight is 70 kg. He is not hypertensive. Blood pressure is a 120. Blood pressure was 120/70, pulse 74. Regular respiration rates were good. S1 N1 heart, no cardiac shock. Central obesity. Indian typical we are seeing more central. We are more visceral obesity rather than the subcutaneous. Our obesity Indian pattern our phenotype is a very different of this pattern. We are seeing of the male obesity just like a android. It is just like apple shape of the we can see of the apple. In male it is just like android. It is just like pear shape of the obesity, and in female we are seeing of the apple is a more abdomen obesity of this one. And cardiovascular, CNS, no edema, no pallor, hemoglobin is a good, no retinopathy, and no associated with the other comorbid conditions just like a thyroid. Investigations of the baseline, we started on 18 unit of the basal insulin. Fasting was 150 milligram deciliter. Postprandial after the 2 hours of the blood sugar 206 milligram deciliter. HbA1c was 7.8%. Blood HbA1c was 8 baseline 7.8%, and blood urea and creatinine was 6 months back. That was the scenario was on only 40 minutes of the insulin. When fasting was higher 168, 230 HbA1c was 8, and blood urea and creatinine was out. So 6 minutes prior to the present, patient was only 40 minutes of the basal insulin. That was a not, and we titrate up to the 18 unit of the how to titrate of the basal insulin. And I am telling of the all the my patient, we should fix the first fasting dose. Every third day we should get the fasting blood sugar, and we should keep the fasting sugar is a 110, 120 of the advice to the follow up the 1 month, but patient follow after the 6 months in spite of the after the 1 month and continue the 18 minutes still is not going to titrate the 6 months, still is not HbA1c at 7.8, 48 male young guy IT engineer, we should keep the HbA1c 7%, but still is not target in the case of the titration inertia. Why titration inertia? Because of all the diabetologists, endocrinologists, they are very busy in the patient. They are seeing of the 35-40% of the per day, and he and she is not able to give the so much time to the patient of this particular will insulin. So some of the patient is having the mind of the subconscious level. Insulin, why a doctor are going to increase the insulin? My diabetes is going to worsening. So that it is very difficult to integrate the insulin into my daily life. Titration algorithm was very difficult to the follow up of this, but this is not a complex science. First we have to fix our blood sugar, fasting sugar we should keep. I am telling on all my patients, fix the fasting first with the basal insulin. And what about some of the patient perspective of the, I think dose increase means when doctor's patient is coming with me, or I am going to increase the dose 18 का 22 यूनिट करिए, my doctor, my insulin is going to increase. It means my diabetes is going to very bad, and my beta cells are going to die. I am not comfortable with this particular. So these are some of the inertia. Second of this particular fear of the hypoglycemia is a major cause of the titration inertia of the so fear of the once keeping the HbA1c 7%, the chance of the hypoglycemia, obesity will be very big issue, particular weight gain of this particular. We have to explain of all the patient. We should keep the HbA1c 7%, titrate the basal insulin. Every third day we should get the fasting sugar. We should keep the fasting sugar around 110 milligram deciliter and 150 milligram deciliter. of the without the weight gain hypoglycemia. तो डिक्रीज द डिजायर फ्रॉम द टाइट हाइपोग्लाइसीमिया. डॉक्टर साहब मेरा 7.8 है, आई एम हैप्पी विद दिस पर्टिकुलर. व्हाई यू आर गोइंग टू इंक्रीज द माई ब्लड शुगर, माई इंसुलिन, बिकॉज ऑफ द थोड़ा सा मैं बढ़ाया है चांस ऑफ द हाइपोग्लाइसीमिया. वो पेशेंट को हाइपोग्लाइसीमिया नहीं होता, बट देयर इज ए रिलेटिव हाइपोग्लाइसीमिया ऑफ दिस पर्टिकुलर. रिड्यूस द विलनेस ऑफ द इंटेंसिफाइड थेरेपी. डॉक्टर साहब आई एम हैप्पी विद द 14 यूनिट ऑफ द इंसुलिन. व्हाई यू आर गोइंग टू इंक्रीज विद दिस पर्टिकुलर द 18 यूनिट ऑफ द my insulin. Poor adherence of the therapy and compromise of this particular the. So need to our now we have to educate all the patients. I am telling of this all the diabetic patients of the ASL monitoring is a must and education is a must. Once we are going to with the insulin with a well-established low risk of the hypoglycemia and simple and easy to follow the titration. एल्गोरिथम ऐसा होना चाहिए कि उसको easy होना चाहिए कि suppose 48-year-old 70 kg of the hair and he is starting with a 0.2 unit per kg, 70 kg. But it is simple of the even general practitioner, even the paraclinical या clinician या my diabetic nurse is in head. She should know. Yeah, he should know कि how to start with the basal insulin of the. मैं सिंपल कैलकुलेशन बता रहा हूँ कि सपोज आपको समझ में नहीं आ रहा, पेशेंट इज हैविंग दैट विद द डाइट एक्सरसाइज विद द मेटफॉर्मिन विद द सल्फोन्यूरिया 10 यूनिट आप ब्लड टेस्ट 10 यूनिट आप यू कैन स्टार्ट विद द बेसल इंसुलिन ऑफ द 10 यूनिट 0.2 unit per kg you can start with, and every third day you should get the fasting blood sugar and keep the fasting blood sugar 110 to 140 milligram deciliter of this particular the insulin largin is very fantastic of the, it is a basal insulin. Chance of the hypoglycemia we have to explain. We have to explain that it is a basal insulin. Basal insulin itself suggests it is a baseline insulin. Is a half-life of is 18 to 24 hours. It never peak. Chance of the hypoglycemia is a very less compared to the other pre-mix insulin 30-70 or 50-50 yeah biphasic insulin. What you can see of the initial study of the chance of the hypoglycemia more common compared with the insulin, basal insulin. These are simple. How to titrate the insulin? That is very beautiful, fantastic slide. Glycemic. How to make of the fasting? Already I have given. Fix the fasting blood sugar 100 milligram deciliter. Initiate. You can start. Even MBBS general practitioner can start. उसको समझ में नहीं आ रहा है. Diet, exercise, metformin, full dose of the glimepiride. Now, yes, she should be she should initiate the insulin with the basal insulin. उसको 10 unit of the initiate dose of the 10 unit of the insulin should be start. Every third day we should get fasting sugar. If the fasting sugar is still is a 150 milligram deciliter plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2. I think couple of the weeks, suppose we are going to titrate of the this formula, simple formulations, we will achieve our the fasting sugar 100 milligram deciliter of the day. You can see how to titrate the insulin largin with achieve. Suppose fasting blood sugar 80 milligram deciliter, we can decrease the -2. What about the and blood sugar is a fasting blood sugar is a 130 160 plus 2 plus 4 plus 6. We can see simple formula -2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2. So we should keep the fasting blood sugar 100 milligram deciliter of this particular so how to titrate the insulin largin to achieve the glycemic? Simple formula, simple. Treat to target. Already मैंने बोला है. First we have to treat the target of the fasting. First we have to fix the fasting blood sugar 100 milligram deciliter. So physician lead titration algorithm. Force weekly insulin titration schedule of the T to target trial. Start simple. 10 unit of deadlight 10 p.m. 10 unit simple. We should start with the basal insulin of the every third day you should get the fasting blood sugar. Suppose we are getting the fasting sugar blood sugar is a 100 100 to 120 milligram deciliter, we should into 12 unit. Suppose we are getting the blood sugar 120, 140 milligram deciliter plus 4, blood 10 plus 4, 14 unit. Suppose we are getting the blood sugar more than 180 milligram deciliter, 10 plus 8, 18 units should be started. So treat to target trials is a very fantastic trial. Improve the glycemic response with the systemic titration schedule. Treat to target 24 RCT. Compare efficiency titration with the NPH added with the oral therapy. Almost patient pool was more than 700. You can see of the change of the fasting and HbA1c noted during the study. Treat to target effective reduction of the fasting post-prandial HbA1c. HbA1c. Can patient lead to the self-titration of the insulin bar? Yes. Consider the patient ability motivations. We have to motive self-monitoring of the blood sugar. We have to educate all the patients of the. But unfortunately, our diabetologists, our endocrinologists, they are so busy. Or they are prescribed the insulin, or patient is buy the insulin from the chemist, or they are not knowing how to कैसे उनको इंसुलिन देना है, क्या टाइट्रेट करना है. Nobody is going to this particular. But we have to, before going to start with the insulin, we have to educate the patient. And first dose of the insulin, either a short acting, या premix insulin, या basal insulin, it should be given at our clinic. Titration algorithm simple, safe, effective. Algorithm should be very simple. Already I have discussed 100, 120 milligram deciliter fasting kara plus 2 plus 2 plus 2, 180 milligram deciliter. It should be at the plus 8, 10 plus 8. You start with the 10 unit of the simple formulations. If the patient is having the 60 kg, you can start HbA1c less than 8. You can start 0.2 unit per kg of this particular. So these are not a very complex algorithm. Anybody can understand, or even our paraclinical, our diabetic nurse can understand how to initiate this particular measure. Those physician guide patient leads to the self-titration. You can see of the patient-led titration arms of patient of this physician, there is a greater decrease of the HbA1c with the fasting blood sugar. Once a physician are going, a physician, a clinician, a MD medicines, what about he is giving to the time to 5 to 7 minutes of the, you can see of the, there is a significant reduction of the HbA1c from 9 to 7.6, for 2% can be reduced of this particular. So case study, same patient was advised fixed regime instead to increase the total daily dose of the unit 2 to 3 unit of the every weekly base of the fasting sugar monitoring. What about why we are going to start with the basal insulin at bedtime of the, basal is a never peak. It is a peakless of the, and it inhibits the gluconeogenesis, or most of the gluconeogenesis occur at a hepatic renal at night. So it inhibits the gluconeogenesis. So basal insulin should be given at 4 p.m. at 10 p.m. and it is going to control your fasting blood sugar. After 3 months follow the visit from the baseline, undergo up titrations after 20. 14 units से शुरू किया था, 18 3 महीने 24 unit blood sugar. You can see of this particular the basal insulin 6 months prior to the baseline he was on the 14 unit because 70 kg का weight था, 0.2 unit. We started with the formulations of this particular 14 unit titrations किया baseline, and after the 3 month post baseline and he was on 24 international unit per day. You can see HbA1c before 6 months was 8, then 7.8, now is a 7.2, 68, 150, and now is a fasting blood sugar after the 3 months with this 118 and 2 hour after the post-prandial blood sugar. You can see of the 168 is a very of this particular. So case history going to continue. Effective glycemic reduction with the patient drive titration. So we have to educate all the patient. Patient को उसको monitoring, WhatsApp, mail, monitoring, what? यानी you have to go fasting sugar. उसको नहीं है तो 3 दिन बाद उसको और है we should ring to them, our clinic से वहाँ ring जाना चाहिए, gentlemen आपका fasting sugar कितना है, what about that? So we have to hampering to percent of the young patient 48 reduction of the SBOC, reduction of the fasting with the PPBS. So evidence from treat to target trials suggests optimal dose titration of the insulin large in target fasting sugar. Definitely we should keep the fasting sugar 100 milligram deciliter. Postprandial blood sugar can be managed by the bolus insulin and greater reduction of the SpO1C with the reduce the hypoglycemia. So once we are going to treat the diabetic with the, we should keep fasting blood sugar 100 milligram deciliter, postprandial blood sugar 150 milligram deciliter, HbA1c should be 7 to 7 point without the evidence of the, reduce the number of the hypoglycemic. These are some of digital planning of the cross-platform mobile and web plus of the technology. You can see of the basal insulin, use the mobile and web-based platform to optimize of this basal insulin with the type 2 diabetes. Some of the, is very good app in particular that you can, most of the patient is going to use the very Android phone and iPhone or whatever, and they can make app and download the app on this particular, the cell phone based support, remote titration. Most of the doctor, they are busy in particular patient counseling, seeing they are not of the 100 was a feasible to use the SMS messaging, phone call with the patient with the physician, significant reduce the number of the patient, achieve the optimal insulin dose with the median of the just 3 weeks, and nurse were able to contact. इस वर्ष का वर्ल्ड डायबिटिक डे का जो मंथ ऑफ द नवंबर, वी आर गोइंग टू सेलिब्रेट द वर्ल्ड डायबिटिक मंथ. रोल ऑफ द नर्स इज ए मोस्ट इम्पोर्टेंट to control. You can see of the nurse were able to contact the most of the doctor. They are busy with the patient counseling, with other work, with the clinical research, but patient can contact with the nurse. The role of the diabetic nurse is very fantastic. इस वर्ष का वर्ल्ड डायबिटिक डे का थीम है कि रोल ऑफ द डायबिटिक नर्स टू कंट्रोल द डायबिटीज with the managing the sugar, monitoring hypoglycemia, hyperglycemia of the this particular. So my key message of the how to insulin optimize titration inertia leads to inadequate. Patient को ये लगता है कि एक barrier, doctors को एक barrier होता है. Why insulin? Suppose I am going to start with the insulin, I will lose my patient. But there is a science. आपको insulin चाहिए. There is no beta cells. You are full dose of the metformin, you are full dose of the glimepiride, or almost 80% of the beta cells, more than 80% of beta cells has been damaged of this particular. Thank you for hearing me. Come, beta.